everyone. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. I'm R. Manikandan. I'm doing PhD in VITB school in Vellore, in India. Today I'm going to present conference paper. The paper name is Entrepreneurial Marketing Dimension and Marketing Performance. Case study and hotel SMEs. Yes, today agenda is introduction, review of literature, and the research methodology, and next one is research findings, and results and discussions, and final one is conclusions. Next, coming to the introduction, first of all we need to discuss about the what is entrepreneurial marketing, the proactive identification and exploitation of opportunities for acquiring and retaining the profitable customer through the innovation approaches to risk management, reduced leveraging, and value creation, which was developed in 1982. The author is Chanston. Popularly, entrepreneurship marketing has gained popularity in marketing entrepreneurship topics. The success of the business activities pursuing the non-traditional marketing approaches can be attributed to entrepreneurial marketing practices. The image will explain the how the entrepreneurial marketing will comes, and these are the some images which we can be showed in all over the world how they are interacting. Next, some of the hotel SMEs I can be shown here. Yes, this is the infrastructure of this entrepreneurial marketing. The why entrepreneurial marketing is implemented means it can be useful for the small scale industries. That is the main motto of entrepreneurship marketing dimensions. Yes, some of the review of literature have been collected last 10 years, and which has shown below objectives, methodology, findings. There are different types of methodology they are using, and the objectives also is different, and the findings, there are different types of findings they are find. But I could find out from this article, that is the open innovation method and value creation to the customers, and some of the techniques which we can be implemented through this process. Next, research methodology. The data is qualitative data. Collection is questionnaire and interview, in-depth interviews I can be collected. Scale is 5-point Likert scale. Statistical tool. For this article, I can use the regression method, which is very suitable for this method, and software tools, SPSS, Smart PLS, and model is structure equation modeling, which we can be frame the diagram. Respondents. The overall the respondents is 232, and next one is responses. Yes, I can show the in pie chart. The most of the customers will focus on the 5-star hotels, resorts, normal hotels, and boutique hotels. But most people will select the 5-star hotels. Yes, I can use the bibliometric analysis for this hotel SMEs, which is given below. Yeah, you can see very easy to identify the where are the different areas we can be implemented. Next, hypothesis testing. Here there are 6 dimensions I can be used. One is proactiveness, opportunity focused, risk taking, innovation oriented, customer intensity, value creation. The final result of the hypothesis testing is to how the market performance in hotel SMEs. Next, research gap. Some of the research gap I can be find out from this article. One is market performance, the hotel SMEs, value creations, and the customer satisfaction through this advanced EMs and open innovation. This is a new method which have been implemented through this process. One is open innovation method. There are 2 goals. The investigate the concept of entrepreneurial marketing in all sectors. Yes, we can be implemented in all sectors. And to investigate the moderating factor of farm in India, not only India, there are different types of states also we can be implemented. The research questions. What is the effect of entrepreneurial marketing of the performance of the hotel SMEs? What are the performance they are using? How they are satisfying the customers? What are the benefits of the customers? What are the profits of the firm? These are the things which we can be using. And next one is, does economic sector of the firm affect the influence of entrepreneurial marketing? Yes, how the economic sector will be getting profit from this article. Objectives. The study the entrepreneurial marketing dimensions and marketing performance of hotel SMEs. How the performance of the hotel SMEs and the marketing performance especially, which we can be very easy to identify that, and how they are working, how they are getting profit, how they are how they are giving value creation, these type of things, and to study the consumer value creations and innovative product in hotel SMEs. Yes, definitely the research findings, some of the research findings which we can be implemented here to provide the open innovation methods. They are, before study they are not implemented, but I can be implemented this process. And future direction, the future direction people will scholars should focus on the roadside, street side food also, hotel also. um, and a research limitation. Yeah, there are two limitations which we can be easy to given that the studies to focus on worldwide. Yes, definitely we want to focus on the worldwide, how the SMEs will be implemented, how they are getting profit, how they are value creation to the customers. This type of thing we need to go for that and never influence political issues. Definitely we don't do the political and cultural issues in this one. And capital should be in a prescribed manner, means which we can be very easy to be um, getting and easy to develop the SMEs, and definitely it will be in a profitable manner. And result and discussions. Yes, result value creation to the open innovation method, and robotic techniques. Definitely we want to use that and develop the small scale industry in country level. Definitely we want to develop in a country level. This project will be only for the poor people and small scale industries, as well as youth development process and GDP growth rate. These type of things will be developed in this project. And conclusion, coming to the conclusion, definitely we want to improve the employment opportunity and value to the customers. And it not only in India, in every country we want to develop the SMEs. And this is the abstract which I have been framed that which will be very important process for this project. And thank you for your question, and thank you. It's my pleasure to be part of this conference, and I hope it will be in a good article which will be very useful for the other people also. And thank you for giving this great opportunity to me, and thank you.